Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Newsfeed Career Plus. So let's start our current affairs of August 22nd and August 23rd, 2021. The first question is, which of the following bank to launch Prism platform to strengthen compliance by supervised entities? The options are A. Asian Development Bank, B. World Bank, C. Reserve Bank of India, and D. State Bank of India. And the correct answer is C. Reserve Bank of India. Reserve Bank of India to launch Prism platform to strengthen compliance by supervised entities, whereas Prism means platform for regulated entities for integrated supervision and monitoring. The second question is, India Rating and Research has projected the GDP growth rate for India for the financial year 2022 at what percentage? The options are A. 9.2%, B. 9.4%, C. 9.8%, and D. 10.2%. And the correct answer is B. 9.4%. India Ratings and Research has projected the GDP growth rate for India for the financial year 2022 at 9.4%. The third question is, which of the following bank has been set up jointly for Abate Sitare Fund? The options are A. Exim Bank, B. NABARD, C. SIDBI, and D. both A and C. And the correct answer is B. both A and C. Both Exim Bank and SIDBI has been set up jointly for Abate Sitare Fund. The fourth question is, who among the following will launch an ambitious Abate Sitare Fund for export oriented firms and startups? The options are A. Nirmala Sitharaman, B. Narendra Modi, C. Piyush Goyal, and D. Amit Shah. And the correct answer is A. Nirmala Sitharaman. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman is set to launch an ambitious Abate Sitare Fund. It will be launched for export-oriented firms and startups. Abate Sitare Fund has been set up jointly by Exim Bank and Small Industries Development Bank of India, which is also called SIDBI. The fifth question is, who among the following launched Arogya Dhara 2.0 to create more awareness regarding the Ayushman Bharat? The options are A. Mansukh Mandavia, B. Kiran Rijiju, C. Bandaru Dattatreya, and D. Amit Shah. And the correct answer is A. Mansukh Mandavia. Arogya Dhara 2.0 was launched by Health Minister Mansukh Mandavia to create more awareness regarding the Ayushman Bharat scheme. Home Minister also launched Adhikar Patra, Ayushman Mitra and Abhinandan Patra. And the sixth question is, Amazon Alexa has got the voice of which of the following superstar in India? The options are A. Mohanlal, B. Rajnikant, C. Amitabh Bachchan and D. Chiranjeevi. And the correct answer is C. Amitabh Bachchan. Alexa users will have to pay $149 per year to add Amitabh Bachchan's voice to the device. And the seventh question is, who among the following will be appointed as new MD and CEO of Indian Bank? And the options are A. Shaktikant Das, B. Shantilal Jain, C. Raghuram Rajan and D. None of these. And the correct answer is B. Shantilal Jain. Shantilal Jain appointed as new MD and CEO of Indian Bank. Shantilal Jain currently the Executive Director of Bank of Baroda. Indian Bank is currently headed by Padmaja Chunduru from September 2018. And the eighth question is, Indian coach Othayuthu Madhavan Nambiar passed away. He is renowned for which of the following sports? The options are A. Athletics, B. Boxing, C. Badminton and D. Football. And the correct answer is C. Badminton. Indian athletics coach Othayuthu Madhavan Nambiar passed away. He was awarded Dronacharya Award in 1985 and Padma Shri in 2021. He coached the well-known Indian athlete P.T. Usha. And the ninth question is, who among the following has been appointed as new Prime Minister of Malaysia? The options are A. Ismail Sabri Yaakob, B. Muhyiddin Yassin, C. Najib Razak and D. Azim Ali. And the correct answer is A. Ismail Sabri Yaakob. Ismail Sabri Yaakob has been appointed as new Prime Minister of Malaysia. He will succeed Muhyiddin Yassin, who resigned on Monday after losing majority. He served as the 13th Deputy Prime Minister from July 2021 to August 2021. He is the shortest serving Deputy Prime Minister by serving for only 40 days. He is a member and Vice President of the United Malays National Organization. And the 10th question is, who among the following to be honored with the Diversity in Cinema Award at IFFM? The options are A. Manoj Bajpayee, D. Samantha Akkineni, C. Pratik Gandhi, and D. Pankaj Tripathi. And the correct answer is D. Pankaj Tripathi. This award will be presented by Anurag Kashyap on August 20th, 2021. And talking about the Paralympics Games, the 16th Summer Paralympics Games, they are scheduled to be held in Tokyo, Japan. Second Summer Paralympics to be hosted by Tokyo. And the first time in Tokyo was held in 1964. These games will see the introduction of badminton and taekwondo to the Paralympics. 540 events in 22 sports will be held during the 2020 Summer Paralympics. India are sending contingent of 54 members to the Tokyo Paralympic Games. 54 athletes to compete in 9 disciplines at the Tokyo Paralympics. Prachi Yadav, India's first para-canoe at the Tokyo Para Games. Avani Lekara is the first Indian woman parachuter to compete at the Paralympics. India has a total of 12 medals, including 4 gold in 11 Paralympic appearances. And we will make a clear video about Paralympic Games. Stay tuned. If you haven't watched our video about Tokyo Olympics, please watch now. The link is given in the description. And going to the one-liners today, India has launched a tech platform named Unite Aware with the UN for improving the safety and security of the UN peacekeepers. Professor Uttam Kumar Sarkar appointed as new director of IIM Calcutta. Maharashtra government's Rajiv Gandhi IT Award to be given to companies in 5 categories. This announcement is made by IT Minister Satyej Patil. For this year, the recipient of the award will be announced in the October 2021. Nitin Chugh resigns as MD and CEO of Ujjivan Small Finance Bank. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Comment down your doubts below about current affairs. Stay home, stay safe.